Welcome to the third recording of C programming. Let's discuss about the naming of variables. Now, after a long debate between probably the scientists and the creators, they came up with certain rules and regulations for the naming of variables. Now, since you've learned how to create variables using data type, it's best to know how to name it. Now, for example, int x is a valid variable. X is the variable here, and int is the data type. I hope you remember this means I'm creating a box whose name is x and it holds an integer only. Hope you remember that. Now, can we put integer 1, 2, 3? And the answer is no. We cannot name something with only numbers. Now, how about this? Not only numbers, right? Let's put in one num. It's wrong as well, because the rules and regulations states that the first letter or the first number cannot be a symbol or a number. Now that's only for the first of the name. Now let's use int num1. It's correct. It didn't say we can't use any symbols or numbers inside the variable. It just stated that the first thing of the name of the variable cannot be a symbol or number. It goes for, let's say, this num or character. These cannot be used. Now the next example will be, let's see, character num1. It's all made of alphabets. The first letter in front here isn't a number, but this is still wrong. Reason being because you cannot have a white space. No white space, or as in layman terms, space bar for the variable name. Next, in order to rectify this mistake, usually people would use num1 underscore to replace what we usually put as space bar, as to not confuse the person reading the code. The next one is, okay, now remember the fundamental data types? We have integer, float, double, and character. These are the few fundamental basic data types. Now, can I create an integer called int? Definitely no, because int is a reserved word. It is a reserved word. What it means here by reserved is that it's being used for another meaning. If I were to put int, and if let's say I put int equals to 5 and I write int somewhere down the code, someone would mistake it. They would not know that. They'd be confused. Is this int the name of a variable, or does it mean I'm declaring a data type? So these 4 words cannot be used, as well as many other reserved words such as main, Remember int main? All reserved words cannot be used for the name of a variable. These are the rules and regulations of naming a variable. Hope you understood it.